All right, so number 1, 2, and 3 are easy problems. Hannah, all we have to do on 1, 2, and 3 is quadratic formula. So y'all do quadratic formula on number 1 really quick. Let's see what you get, and we'll check it. Now again, Devin, I'm. So I got 7 plus or minus 49 minus 4 times 8 times C. 4. Take a calculator now and punch it in. Let's see what we get. I got 49.
13.
All right, let's see if that's what I get. 169, which is 13. Now, Ariana, do you remember how we finished it up to find both answers? What do we do? All right, but what do I do first? I got a plus and a minus.
Okay, so you do 7 plus.
There you go.
13 over 4.
7 plus 13, and then divide by 4. First answer is 5. So how do I do the second answer? Good. 7 minus 13 is negative 6. Divide by 4. It gave me negative 1.5, which is the same as negative 3 over 2. All right, so your first 2 problems on your final exam is going to be quadratic formula. All right, nothing hard about that. So y'all do number 2, and we'll check it. All right, so we've got to get this into groups. We've got x squared minus 4x, then a box. We got y squared plus 12y in a box equals 6. All right, I want y'all to write that down, and we'll go over how to fill in those boxes. We did this like a month ago. Yeah, this is not bad. I'm trying to put a lot of easy stuff on the final and a lot of stuff that we've done recently. There you go. All right, Hannah, watch this. Find out what goes in the box. Like Nathan said, take half of 4, which is 2, and then you square it. So I got a plus 4 there and a plus 4 there. All right, Ariana, explain to me what goes in this box. Half of 12 is 6, squared is 36, so I got a plus 36 and a plus 36. All right, good. Last step. It's 46. I gotta write that down. I'll show you how to finish it up. All right, so what goes in here? Ariana, you remember? X minus 2. Very good. You just take half of that number. All right, what goes in here? Hannah, what goes in this one?
Y plus 6.
Very good. All right, Hannah, what's the center now? Very good. And how do you find the radius? Take the square root of 46 on your calculator and make it a decimal. Do it.
6.8.
That's what it says. And after that, make it a decimal. I got 6.8. All right, so we can do that. It's not bad. Let's go to 6. Now 6 is a little bit different. Do y'all remember? Go ahead, Ann.
Is that the one where you had to like multiply the 3 and
Close. Since these have a 3 in front, Hannah, we're going to divide everything by 3 all the way down. All right, so now I got x squared minus 12x, then my box.
Don't you have to put 3 in front of that?
Nope, you don't have to on these. You're thinking about parabolas, which is what we're going to do next. All right, I got y squared plus 18y in my box. All right, that's positive 1, move it over as negative 1. All right, I'm going to let y'all finish it. Y'all should be good from here.
I thought you were supposed to divide by 3.
I did, I divided everything by 3. Oh, 18 divided by 3 is 6, my bad.
12 should be what, 4?
All right, is that it?
or you
The
negative
negative 12.
from?
Stop dividing by 3.
Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Y'all did good, keep me straight. All right, so now fill in the
How do you tell the difference in between the other one and these?
equal signs in a different spot. But I'm probably gonna say, I'm probably gonna have this written out beside it. Mm-hmm. It's right here. All right, Nathan White, you got me on this one. What goes in the box here? Plus 4 there, plus 4 here. All right, Nathan, what goes on that one? Plus 9 here, plus 9 here. 13, 12. All right, Nathan, what goes inside the parenthesis here? Yep, x minus 2. What goes in this one? Yep. All right, Nathan, what's the center? Remember, flip the sign. Yeah. 2, negative 3, and to find the radius, what do we have to do, y'all? Take the square root of 12 and make it a decimal. Square root of 12, make it a decimal, 3.5. All right, Hannah, number 8's different. These are parabolas. What's a parabola look like? It looks like a U. Now, the good thing on the final, I'm not going to make you graph anything. All you got to do is work it out, okay? So, let's do this one together. All right, Nathan, I still got to do my group, so it's x squared plus 7x, then my box. I just slide the minus 15 down. I just push it down. Do that.
Half of 7 is like what, 3.5?
Yep, 3.5. All right, now Hannah, we got to fill in the box the same way we did earlier. All right, so we got to take half of 7. So if you want to put it in your calculator, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Square it. What'd y'all get? Make it a decimal. All right, so we got 12.25. All right, Nathan, here's a new step. On these problems, Hannah, since the equal sign's in a different spot, you got a plus 12.25 there, we put a minus 12.25 there. You do the opposite. These are all different than the circles. All right, but the rest of it's easy. So Hannah, for this part, I do it the same way. It'd be x plus half of that, so it's x plus 3.5.
Wait, why did we put minus 12?
Okay, I'll say it again. The equal sign's in a different spot on these problems than it was on the circles. That's what's making the change. So whatever you put in the box, you're going to subtract it out here on these 3 problems. So now to find your vertex area on it, you flip the sign on this one because it's inside parentheses, and you just bring this one down. All right, now remember, I'm not going to make you graph anything on the final. You're just going to have to do that part. That's going to be your answer right there. That's all you're going to have to check. That's how it's going to be on the final. We're not graphing, because what I made y'all do, Nathan, I made y'all pick 4 numbers. Remember, 2 on the right, 2 on the left.
Yeah.
We're not doing any of that. You just got to do this part. All right, so 8 was a little bit different, but 9's just like 8. So you guys try 9. I'm going to give y'all a chance to see if you can fill in the box. Push 23 down out of the way. See if y'all can do that one. All right, Hannah, what goes in the box? Okay. Wait. 4. All right. All right, now here's the new part. Ariana, make sure y'all watching. Nathan, make sure you're watching. Nathan, what do I have to do special when I have a -6 in the front? Y'all remember?
-6 times 4.
There you go. All right, Hannah, watch. We do -6 times 4 is -24. So we write a +24 out there. That's what's going to get y'all.
Oh, I got that.
That's what always gets. Ariana, what goes into parentheses?
-2.
X plus 2.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Ariana, what's my vertex?
-2.
There you go. All right.
Why is it plus 50? Why is it plus 50 there? Is that because it
You only flip the sign on the one in the parentheses. 50 is not in the parentheses, so you just bring down +50. All right, I think 8, 9, and 10 are some of the hardest problems on the final.
So.
All right, 11, 12, and 13 are going to be some of the easiest.
So if the number on the end ends up being negative, you leave it negative?
Yes, yes, you just bring that number down. Yes, you're right. All right, we're going to do 11, 12, and 13. All right, we just did these, Hannah, like 2 weeks ago. Nathan White, what do I have to do on number 11? You remember? All right, I think you did this on the test. All y'all have to do is FOIL this out. So watch, I'll do 11, then maybe y'all can do 12 and 13. So Hannah, 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 4, that's -24i. 3 times 9 is 27i. 3 times 4 is -12i squared. All right, so here's where it's going to get a little different. Nathan, do you remember the I squared? There's something we have to do with it. The thing on the board. I squared equals -1. So what's that -1 going to do to that -12? Makes it a +12. You can't forget that. So 54 plus 12 is 66. Like terms are in the middle, Ariana, that's going to give you plus 3i. All right, that's how you do 11, 12, and 13. Y'all try 12 and 13 and we'll check. Since we have 4 i's up here, y'all have to divide by 4. So let's do 59 divided by 4. 59 divided by 4 is 14.75. How do I know which answer is mine? The one that ends in 0.75 is your answer. All right, Ariana, you got the next one. 206 divided by 4. What's my answer going to be? Do it again. 206 divided by 4. I got 51.5. So 0.5 is that one, it's -1. All right, Nathan, you got the next one. All right, 36 divided by 4 is 9. Doesn't have a decimal, does it? Which one up here doesn't have a decimal? All right, I think that's the easiest one on the final. All right, let's go to 17. All right, what do y'all think we do first on 17? This is pretty easy. Y'all distribute there, and combine like terms, see what you get. All right, let's add your like terms up and see what you get. I can add these two up, that's -68. I can add these two up, it's -12i. Is that right? Did I mess up? That's good. All right, 18. All right, Hannah, what is wrong with 18? There's something wrong with it that we can't have. All right, you can't have an I on the bottom of a fraction after this problem. So, really, Nathan, if I can't have that I on the bottom, do you remember how to fix it? All right, here's what you do. Whatever's on the bottom, Nathan, you flip the sign, so we'll multiply by 2 minus 4i here, 2 2 minus 4i there. Now y'all distribute the top, let's see what you get. All right, let's do it. Ariana, what's 6 times 2?
12.
All right. What's 6 times negative 4i? All right, so we got the top done. Now the bottom, y'all have to full it out. The middle's going to cancel out. Write down what you get. Go.
It's Pierce County. I'm gonna get you to come.
Did you
Oh,
need
heck,
the
I'm
other
from the Pierce County,
paper?
hell yeah, I'm from that.
Nah, I'm going to show you. All right, we got 4 more.
Pierce County.
4 more and we'll stop.
You don't need to use circle.
All right, now here's the deal. The first time we did these 4, I made y'all use a unit circle. But this time, I'm just going to let you use calculator. Okay? Now you're going to have to show Hannah how to type it. All right, so let's do 20. Number 20 says tangent of 5 pi over 4. So you can type that straight into your calculator as long as, Ariana, sit down, Will. Look, if you have a pi, Nathan, there's something special we got to do to our calculator. Y'all remember?
Radius one.
Radian mode. Put your calculator in radian mode. So everybody go to mode, arrow over 1 time to radian. All right, now it should say RAD right there. Now you can just type it straight in. Tangent 5 pi over 4 is, I got 1. So I'm not going to make y'all use your unit circle. I'm just going to let you type them straight in.
What about that degree?
All right, now look at the next one. It's degrees, so we got to go back into degree mode. The only time it's radians if there's a pi in it. So put your calculator back in degree mode, and then type it straight in. Whoa, we got a problem. Secant 270, guys. We don't have a button for secant. So do y'all remember what we did if we didn't have a button? Let me show you. What's the opposite of secant? We got a button for cosine, so you can do it this way. 1 over cosine of 270. That's how you do it when you don't have a button for it. 1 over cosine 270. What'd y'all get? I got error, no solution.
I got you.
It says no solution, you can't divide by 0. Really, why are you up? I asked you for 3 more minutes.
That's it.
All right, let's go to 22. All right, does 22 need to be in radian mode? Let's check. No. All right, but it's CSC of 135.
So it's 1 over sine.
There you go. We don't have a button for CSC, so you got to do it with this one.
Yeah, root 2.
So it'd be 1 over sine of 135. 1 over sine of 135. Root 2. All right, last one for the day, 23. All right, it does have a pi, so we got to go to radian mode. Now, it says cotangent of pi over 3. We don't have a button for cotangent,
So if you use tangent.
so we got to use tangent. 1 over tangent of pi over 3. Type it in. 1 over tangent pi over 3. I got root 3 over 3. Now, if everybody would reset your calculator, Nathan, so it goes back in degree mode, that way nobody will mess up next week. All right, we're going to stop there. We'll pick up on 24. We'll finish the rest of this packet Monday, and then Tuesday we'll start on another packet. And we'll turn these packets in. Remember, I'm giving y'all grades for this.
Was this just for here Monday?
I leave my
We
packet
didn't
here.
have the packet.
Oh,
did we?
is it?
Say it again, Nick.
I leave my packet here.
Yeah, put them on that shelf there.
How many is it for you class?
Hardly anybody first block, everybody second block. First block, nobody comes to school.
Then we got to do it?